angels, spirit guides, higher self, Segue One, the kitty cat who lives outside in this yard. What message do you have for our highest good? What message do you have for me? What message do you have for the highest good of all beings? Hello, Segue One. How are you? Do you have a message for us today, Segue? Hello, kitty cat. Can you put your energy in the cards? Would you like to put your energy in the cards? Oh, thank you. Look at that little spiral tail. Yes. Thank you, Segue. Last week was the first time I drew a card with Segue. I asked what message does Segue have in this spirit animal deck, spirit animal oracle, and the cat card flew out. And so that was pretty awesome. And I know that Segue is pretty magical. It just came into my life out of nowhere. Wants to be my new little familiar. So what message do you have for us, Segue? Oh, thank you for coming in. Yes. Segue has something to say. Thank you, Segue. All right, we're ready to shuffle, Segue. What animal message do we have today? Oh, thank you. Good morning, Segue. Came to visit you before the rain. I love you too. Segway's a little cat that moved into our barn, but we don't have any animals in the barn. We just started leaving Segway some food. So I'm outside looking for gophers and birds, and I don't know where he came from. He needs to be here. What message do you have, Segue? It's not coming out. You want to kiss it again? You want to kiss it? Yes. Do you have a message for us today? Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh, your energy is so loving. Love you, Segue One. Segue One, yes. What message does Segue One have for us today? For me, but for anyone. I don't know, kitty. I don't know. Let's see what we get. Thank you for the lippy loves. Is the right deck, kitty cats? Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see what we got. Flamingo spirit. Okay, I need my emergency reading glasses. So I can read Flamingo message. What does Flamingo have to say? Embrace the in-between, number 26. I've been feeling like I'm very much in the in-between right now. Thank you, Segue. Flamingo. Flamingo seems pretty flamboyant. They like to stand out. They're pink. They want to be seen. Pink is all about the heart chakra, love, beautiful feathers, and being a bird, very in touch with the spirit realm. And good balance. A flamingo stands on one foot, and they're just so graceful and so beautiful. And they're in the in-between realms, in between worlds, with such grace and balance and beauty. Is that representing what we're doing right now, Flamingo? Number 26. Kitty, kitty, cat. Thank you for your message, baby. Thank you. Thank you, Segue One. Flamingo spirit, embrace the in-between. Oracle message. Balance comes easily to flamingo spirit, who sees what was and what will be and stands strong in the face of uncertainty. You can be informed by what came before and plan for a future yet to be, but do not resist flamingo's spirit's call to be fully present in the now, where the real magic happens. With one foot in the life you are moving away from, and one in the future, as you become the one who leads the life of your highest intentions, you must make peace with the fact that you are not fully in either place. Embrace the in-between. The presence of flamingo spirit is also a sign that your creativity is arising within you and opportunities are beginning to present themselves. Remain here in a balanced state of mind, for there is much to know and learn before going forward with new plans. You can trust this moment and yourself as you take in what you see and become aware of all that you are experiencing in this in-between time. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Segue. Alrighty, Segue. Yeah. We are Segue. Come here, babies. Come here, baby. Just trying to give Segue some love and warmth before the rain. Segue lives outside. My dog has a strong prey drive and isn't interested in having Segue move in. But Segue chose to live here, so we're gonna make sure you're taking care of Segue. Built him a warm shelter under Mushroom Manor. And Segway's so grateful, aren't you, honey? Yes, we love you. We love you, Segway. Thank you. Thank you, Segway. Yeah. Segway's been coming around the yard for over a year. I'd see him out there chasing gophers, but I never wanted anyone to come close, which is good because there's lots of wild animals out here. And my dog gotta chase everything. But recently, Segway's been asking for some love, and I'm very happy we met. Segway, here's a bird. I don't really like it that cats like to chase birds. And this is a free kitty, a wild outdoor barn cat from somewhere. You're not trying to be restricted, you're trying to be free. Try to keep him fed so he doesn't want anybody else. And please don't bring me any rewards, Segway. It's just because we love you. Yes, we want to appreciate the bird songs. So we don't want to chase them or eat them. Just enjoy their music. To give Segue, that's probably when Segue started coming around, because I was sitting in the yard giving him some Reiki, even though he didn't want to be touched or anything. He feels the love now. Should we draw another card, Segue? Let's see. Let's do this oracle deck. Yeah, it's the Mystical Shaman Oracle. Yes, it's a beautiful deck. It's a beautiful deck with Segue. Put your energy in. Segue, Segue. The kittiest cat you ever did see. There's a little spiral tail. There's a heart on his booty, but he has a spiral tail. And it just reminds me of like Spiral Galaxy. And there's a little dwarf spiral galaxy named Segue One that goes around the Milky Way. I was like, wow, that's really fitting for Segue. The cat. My mom was calling him Barney. It'll always be Barney to my mom, because he hangs out in the barn. All right. We appreciate the Flamingo message. What other message do you have for us today? Oh, beautiful spirit, God, higher self, and the shaman of me. What do you have to say? Oh, higher self, the wisdom of the earth and the animals and the trees, and the angels and the honeybees. What do you have to say for our highest good? What? Segue, you want to kiss it? Yeah. Yeah, Segue kisses it. Spiral Galaxy love. Yes, you love it. Thank you, Segue. Okay, let's see. What message? It all comes in divine timing. Slow. Take your time. Message. We're in the in-between. We're just waiting for the message. But we don't need to worry about what the message is. We just need to be in the now. And right now, it's really beautiful. We have a cat meowing and birds singing, trees growing, flowers blooming, rain about to sprinkle, and beautiful, beautiful planet, and beautiful, beautiful energies that we are, and energies all around us, some that we can't even see. And they can help us in this time. So we can ascend to a higher vision, make some higher choices for the highest good of all beings. What message do you have for us? What do we need to know? What do we need to be? What do we need to feel? What message do you have for highest good? Highest good of all beings in the present moment. Whoa. Let's see. Whoa, okay. Pachamama, number 40. I don't know if you can see this or hear me. I tend to mumble, whatever. Just filming it for myself, and then maybe I'll share with my babies, my loves, or anybody's who wants to know. So, message number. Whoa. Well, I guess you're not gonna see it. But I'll put you right there. I'm a good filmer, you guys. Since I said you guys, it must mean somebody's gonna see that. And if that's the case, wowzers. Oh my god. Sorry. Actually, no. Because we're in the in-between and we're being patient and we're learning. It's going to come in its own divine time. It doesn't really matter. Whoa. Alright. Number 40, Pachamama. Pachamama. Ooh. And whatever. Right. On the bottom of the duck, the heart of the sky, number 24. My name is Heart, and I come from the sky, so I want to look at that one too. No, let's see. So, number 40, Pachamama. These glasses. They have to like go in my purse in case I like go to a restaurant and I need to read the menu. I forgot my reading glasses. But anyway, who cares? The essence. I think you're angled kind of high, but I don't really know since I can't see. The essence of Pachamama. Pachamama represents the unconditional love that the earth has for all her children, including the stones, the plants, the animals, and humans. She is the goddess of earth, also known as Gaia, who pervades all creation in our planet. Thanks to Pachamama, our timeless soul can experience life in a biological body. The joy and pain we taste during our brief time on earth are invitations to discover the boundless love of Pachamama. The invitation: you are a child of the earth. Now is the time to eat right, love right, and be joyous, regardless of the circumstances you may find yourself in. Be grateful for your life, your body, and all that nourishes you. Pachamama invites you to relish each breath. Embrace your joy and your pain equally, and discover love through both. Let Pachamama know how much you appreciate all her blessings and an act of service, such as planting a tree, helping save an endangered species, or protecting the ocean. And the medicine. You still believe that you have been cast out of the Garden of Eden, that you are motherless and homeless. You suppose that you need to work very hard to survive or thrive. It is time to stop suffering. Let go of that old myth and realize you were given the garden to rejoice in and to become its steward. Your melancholy is really a longing to return to the heart of Pachamama. Listen deeply to the mother who is always there for you. Walk in beauty and honor all life. So beautiful. Thank you. Okay. The next card, the Heart of Sky, number 24. This is really beautiful. I didn't really gaze into the other one, but this one is showing me a starry night sky, and it's like a crescent moon with a face on it. So, you know, the moon's like watching. Seems kind of goddessy and angelic and like star family vibes, but it's like the heart of the sky. It's very third eye, crown chakra up in your, you know, upper, in your intuition, imagination, the heart of the sky. And that's number 24. Does it say? Because the essence, or the heart of the sky, is the love force that made all creation possible. This same force is present when you create with originality, when you bring formlessness to form, or inspired ideas to expression. This primeval force does not know good or bad. It is up to us to provide the clear intention that will guide it to manifest. The heart of sky helps us call in beauty from the invisible world and birth it in the world of matter. Okay, so let me read that sentence again because the cat meowed and I'm like, what? The heart of sky helps us call in beauty from the invisible world and birth it in the world of matter. Hi, kitty. The invitation, the heart of sky, brings you a sacred reminder. You are a channel for the original energy of creation. Become the paintbrush, the canvas, and the artist, all guided by the heart of sky. Set your intention ethically and clearly and allow the universe to take care of the details. And then the medicine, as if the card was upside down, but I don't remember, I don't think so. It was just on the bottom of the deck, but we might want to know about the medicine. So the medicine from the heart of the sky. You may feel responsible for everything and everyone. Perhaps you think you have to do it all alone. This takes you into a dark hole where you lose trust in the natural order of the cosmos. Shed your lofty sense of duty and recognize that this is a false prison of your own making. You can open the door and set yourself free in an instant. No, is that what librarians do? Seems smart. Thank you, universe. The universe is smart. I trust it. Very grateful for these messages. Thank you, Segue. Kitty, kitty, cat. Thank you, self, for watching this later, and maybe I'll share it so other people get the message from Segue too, or Segue One. Have a wonderful day.